I'm going to find out exactly what Uber drivers are really making in 2026. So, you want to know what Uber drivers are really earning in 2026? I'm going to dive into the numbers and trends that will shape their income in the coming years. To be honest, there's a lot of confusion out there about Uber driver earnings. Some people claim they're making a fortune, while others say it's barely enough to cover their expenses. I think the truth lies somewhere in between, but it's hard to get a clear picture when there's so much conflicting information out there. Part of the problem is that Uber's own estimates are often based on gross earnings, not take-home pay. And let's be real, who actually takes home that much money after expenses like fuel, maintenance, and vehicle wear and tear? Another issue is that driver experiences vary wildly depending on location, hours worked, and even the type of vehicle they're driving. What works for a driver in New York City might not work for one in a smaller town. So, we need to consider all these factors when trying to estimate earnings. I'm not just talking about the usual costs like fuel and maintenance, but also things like potential regulatory changes and the impact of autonomous vehicles on the industry. Fuel costs, for example, can eat into a driver's earnings pretty quickly. If gas prices keep rising, that'll take a bigger chunk out of their paycheck. And then there's vehicle maintenance, wear and tear on the car, repairs, replacement parts, it all adds up. Some experts are predicting that regulatory changes could impact Uber's business model, maybe even forcing them to reclassify drivers as employees, which could significantly affect earnings. And let's not forget about autonomous vehicles. Some people think they'll revolutionize the ride-hailing industry, but what does that mean for drivers? Okay, so let's get to the numbers. Based on current trends and estimates, I project that the average Uber driver in 2026 will earn around $15 to $20 per hour after expenses. That might not sound like a lot, but it works out to around $600 to $800 per week, assuming a 40-hour work week. Of course, that's just an estimate, and actual earnings will vary depending on individual circumstances. But I think this gives us a rough idea of what to expect. In conclusion, being an Uber driver in 2026 could be a viable side hustle, but it's probably not going to make you rich. If you're considering getting into driving, make sure you understand the costs